Oh, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Tonight is Thursday, 3rd of December 2021, and we're waiting now for the Bitcoin breakout. Here is breaking up, is breaking down. We don't really know. We're just waiting. As you see, we are still in this descending wedge, as many described in the past few days, and we're on the verge of breaking it. So we had quite a few attempts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts more or less, but until we break the level of 58,000 we still have to wait. As I mentioned in the previous streams, we really cannot be bullish yet. So we have to wait and see this breakout and see how it behaves. So you see where we stand. So look at daily. Nothing really happening in the last 4 days. No big updates. Yeah, situation is still the same. But let's have a look at something more interesting. This is really not really interesting. Let's have a look at Ethereum, which was very promising, but again, a lower high because Bitcoin, of course, is not helping. And so whenever Bitcoin stops, everything else stops. Yeah. So basically, it's hanging in there. If it couldn't test this level here, then we're going to probably test again this level here, creating a higher low, which is a good thing. And still we are basically sideways within this rectangle here, which is we're in this rectangle or in this range, with nothing really happening since pretty much 20th of October. But I think the highlight of the day, besides GXS, which is currently doing plus 378%, it's absolutely crazy pump. We have our friend Cardano. There you go. So you see that there was kind of downtrend since 2nd of September, beginning of September. It's going down and down and down. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low. A little pump now. Here just marked the level. I think we're gonna retest this previous all-time high from... No, sorry, it was not an all-time high. Yes, all-time high from this year, from May. I think we're gonna retest there, because why there? Because previously this level here, after it was broken, was like up, then down, was not anymore trying to test if this was a support, was not a support, then became a resistance, then it was broke as a resistance, and now it didn't last as a support. This was the support so far. Then let's see if this is still resistance, or maybe if it's broken again and then becomes a support. So far this is resistance, so we expect maybe to bounce from here, especially if Bitcoin stays the way it is right now, so pretty much sideways. Okay, go back to Bitcoin. There we go. 3-day situation is pretty much the same. So we're gonna almost closing this candle, pretty much indecision candle, nothing much going on. We might see something happening really in a few hours when and if we break here. Otherwise we go down again. Go down again to this level, 52.7, or this level here, 53.7. Test again, or even better, a higher high to 55, if we don't manage to break the descending formation here. So there's nothing much going on really. Let's see, maybe let's have a look at the coin matrix, where we stand, and the pin grid index. You can see, besides Cardano and maybe a few others, Matic, X, Solana, all the others are in the red, not much, but slightly in the red. PN grid index, we're going down a bit again, orange 32. I mean, we're sideways, so nothing much. And altcoin season index is still 43. It's not moving. So let's have a look at Bitcoin again. So look at the indicators, Bitcoin on the daily. We slightly have positive momentum on the MACD. Not really strong, man. Not much going on. Then RSI is still in that middle, like since 28th of November, hasn't moved really. So it's 46, and the cipher, it's still in the bottom part, still in the positive, but if we go on like this, then it will flash again the sell signal. So we really have to see where's the direction that Bitcoin is going to take in the last minute of today. When that middle of the week, that's something else we have to consider. And usually Fridays, weekends, it's not really time. So either the breakout happens today or better happen on the next Monday. So it's not time to be bullish yet, as I mentioned a couple of days ago. So still have to wait and consider the entire levels. As you see here, this is the level we have to watch. 58.9, 59k, that's the level we have to break to become bullish. Otherwise, we are in the middle of the range between 59 and 53. And until we break the supply line here, then we just have to wait. There's not much going on. Alright guys, this was just a quick update. So really nothing much going on. We just have a look at the chart right now for a while, and I leave you with the music, and till the next time, do not get wrecked.